I started playing double bass drum in 1974. The main thing I noticed was the way that the kit instantly became more balanced. I actually treated them as another pair of hands. So I play a series of exercises which I would play on the snare drum. Single stroke, double stroke, I try a little bit of triple stroke, I play some paradiddles on the bass drums. With a single kit, I always found that I was a little lopsided. The bass drum was here, snare drum, and it was okay. I didn't really know anything different. But as soon as I put up that second bass drum, the whole kit, the perspective that's exactly what I wanted to do. It's very important to really find out your limit. So it's very interesting actually how pure control over the feet, how slow it can actually be. So there's nothing wrong with practicing very, very slowly. Again, I think it's accuracy, it's giving the notes each a full value, velocity is very important, and also being seated and relaxed.